For today's Wednesday assignment, I sent home a packet, and the first page in the packet looks like this. This is from page 177 in the Your Turn practice book. Your first page is a practice game that you can do for fun with your family. The next page is also a review game, and it's asking you to match the letter sounds with the correct picture. So you can do the review game for practice with your family. You don't have to bring it back to school. Look on the next page after that. You're going to find our story for this week. So we're going to read this story together. And then we're going to write about the story together. After we write about the story, you're going to flip to the back. And you're going to practice reading and writing these 3 words. So remember, you're just going to sound out the letters and then blend them together. We practiced reading this in class. So this is going to be another review for you. When you're done with your work for today, you're going to bring back to school this page only. So let's start with getting our story. Here's my story, and you can read along with me. Tip tap. Tip tap on my deck. Think about what's making that noise. I can see the rain in the picture. We are in. She was mad. Looks like the dog was mad and they're all going in. We sit with my little cat. And their faces don't look too happy, and they're looking out the window. Think of why they might be mad. We see clouds and thunder and rain. He is with my little cat. So now it looks like they're feeling a little bit better. They're just having fun inside. And if you look out the window, it's still really bad weather outside. So we can say that the children in the story are going inside to be safe from the bad weather. I wrote, they go inside to be safe. You can also write about what they do when they're inside. Next, when you're all done, flip to the back page to practice reading and writing these 3 words. Okay. Then ask an adult to only take a picture of page 181. I only need to see a page of 181 posted to your Google Classroom and return to school.